Good evening, guys. It's already evening, and we're going to Walking Street, Pattaya.
We walked through the beach road.
Okay, beach road. Okay, so beach road to Walking Street.
Yes. Hi guys. Yes, we walked from our hotel to through beach road to Walking Street slowly. It's about 20 minutes walk. First we walk in the beach road. You ready to go? And after we're going to eat street foods. Okay? Yes. Tourists, so many tourists. You know this sign, this one, Pattaya 2. It means Soi 2. Soi 2, it means street 2, second street. Understand? Georgi, if you see this sign, it means second street. Yes?
Which sign?
No, this one is second street.
No, it's second.
What?
Two.
Soi 2. No, what?
Second.
Second street?
No, it's.
It's not street.
Not street. It's
What is this?
like.
Okay, okay. Soya. Soya. Not soya.
Second road. That.
Second road.
Beach road. It's second road.
Okay.
But between beach road and second road, soy.
Okay.
Soy it means. I don't know how in English.
Already soy 3. Soy 3. But Walking Street soy. What number soy? Don't know.
It's not soy.
It's not soy.
Soy it's between beach road and second road.
Okay.
So it's soy.
Okay.
So we walk
Until Walking Street. Shaira, it's 20 minutes only. Maximum 20 minutes.
Maybe soy.
maybe it's like this.
Not 20. No.
Oh, it's okay. We have time.
Have time before.
Good weather. Not hot. Windy little bit. Very, very good weather.
That's okay.
Yes. Post box or not? Yeah, type post box. Slippers, Shaira.
That's slippers what I use.
It's not slippers.
Like for dress, use for dress like this.
Are you want slippers for dress? What kind of slippers? I don't know. Hi? What?
It's like sandals, but it's only flat.
Okay.
Can use it for dress, can use for walk.
Okay. So many people going to walking street maybe. What you want, Georgi? This one. It's best seller. I know you like this one.
I did not try.
You did
You want
not.
to try? You can try. Before we go to walking street. Try it already.
150 any. This. Same
You
price.
can try, Georgi.
What's the difference?
But this medium, but this strong.
This is stronger. Okay, try, Georgi. It's okay. It's
Maybe not now.
now.
Try
What
before
problem?
walking street.
No, you buy now. Can eat in the walking street. It dance maybe. I don't know.
No.
You don't want right now.
Maybe I try at home. Maybe
At home?
only house.
At home not interesting.
What, you gonna dance in the room?
Maybe. No, if he have girl, some girl take maybe.
Maybe.
I don't know. So everywhere have. Same. Look,
Maybe
Shaira,
you
so
gonna
many.
find what it is, girl.
Maybe. He need cookies. Georgi, you need cookies. Yes? Okay.
But when I try mushrooms in Amsterdam,
Uh-huh.
I stay in my room in hotel because it's maybe dangerous if you go outside.
Okay.
ครับนั่งก่อนได้ครับกับนี้ครับ
This is soy 6 now. Shaira, it's soy 6. We've been already before, in daytime and evening, because you're so faster.
But we've been there in 5-6 already, right?
We've
Two
been
times already.
daytime today and nighttime also. Georgi like faster, he won't run. Huh?
Outside?
No, I was just, I don't know, better here. Later. I don't want Shira walk in the sand, in the beach. I don't want now.
But the movie intended that.
Oh, so many people.
Oh, yes.
What is street foods?
Yes, food with drink.
Really so many. Toilet 10 baht. Toilet. Yeah, so many. Crocodile also have inside. Shira, take a look. Tattoo bus. This is tattoo bus. Wait. Tattoo. Dodge. American bus, Dodge. I think before a school bus. Now tattoo bus. In USA, same bus as a school bus. Rock Cafe. Oh, Leo. Street food, thank you. Leo is street food's name Leo. Very popular. Some of people buy this. It's cotton. I don't know. Not cotton.
Most of people go there, right?
Yes, I see it only. Yeah. Georgi, this is main street or not?
No.
So we go to
Yes, another side. This is Central Pattaya Road. This one, Central Pattaya Road. Okay, let's go. Hi?
Japanese food also.
Yeah, indeed. Japanese restaurant, yes. Billiard. Oh, Georgi again, faster. For rent inside. Another street, I don't know, is bars also. Yes, different bars. I never been in this street.
That's how we go.
Yes, yes. I don't know what name of street. Another street with bar. Shaira, please, not so fast, okay? Indian music, maybe copyright. Maybe I will cut this video, I don't know. Police station, we already walk here, this one. Police.
Haven't yet been there.
Yes, daytime we been here. Soy 9. Soy 9. We've been daytime already in Starbucks. Inside only. It's Central, Pattaya Central. Central Festival maybe. I don't know, maybe 10-15 minutes. I don't know. cocktail. It's good.
Welcome, boss. Welcome.
Welcome, boss Georgi.
Để bà với cái nó khổ rồi.
Вот у.
Прям травой пахнет.
А я включил. So Georgi, what you smell here?
Smell.
Smell what smell?
Marijuana.
Marijuana smell here?
That's why you know.
No smell because he know. He know. Georgi, and I don't know what smell. Not so fast, Ashira. Okay. This is McDonald's before we been in this McDonald's. Yes, it's post office. Yes, this site is post office. I don't know, Georgi, what is this? Huh? Street foods. You ask how much?
How much? 500. 50 baht. 50 baht.
So 50 baht. You can try later, not now. You want right now?
Yes, because before I asked
Georgi, she want it.
Maya.
It's spicy. Or later maybe. No, only for her.
Okay,
But
later.
later. Because if you walk and you eat and walk, it's not good. Better later, okay?
Spicy or not, it's okay for me. I want to try the
Spicy here. Spicy. Georgi, you can walk here because some of people say, oh, I cannot see girls. So many girls. Now 9 p.m. So many also street food sellers on Beach Road. Pattaya City Walk. It's hotel? Also street foods. So many street foods. Good land here. Under construction area here. And so many construction workers stand on the side of the road. Shaira, construction workers, yes? Not so fast. How? Why? Not use phone, okay? Now. Massage also.
You know, Ari, if you say in
Huh?
Philippines,
What is this in the Philippines language, okay? Tagalog.
it's Tagalog. If you say Tagalog, it means
What you
private
say?
part- Private part of
No,
guy.
no. Please say Ari. Ari. Ari is what is this?
It's in Filipino word, it means part of guy.
Part of guy.
Private.
You know what? No, she say it is part of a part. Yes. What kind of parts, Shaira?
All.
All private parts. Ari? I think most of people not say this word. So say. It's not bad words.
It's bad word.
Bad words?
Oh, sometimes.
So they do a massage?
I don't know. I don't know. We already near, yes, near Walking Street. We can see already sign of Walking Street. Marijuana also. Georgi, 100 peso. So many. Not use phone, okay? Because we go to Walking Street. Bar also. This is bar.
Legalnie wyjdzie.
Already walking street, Shaira. Walking street Pattaya.